We'd like to have all drivers in their cars ready to fire up the engine on the coordinator's mark, so we can get all this done simultaneously. Again, folks, if we can have all of the drivers or the owners of the vehicles getting near their car, bring them on in. We want to fire the engines off simultaneously at noon. Kevin has been walking around making the announcement for the last 15 or 20 minutes. The time is now drawing near. All drivers and or owners, please approach your car so we can fire the motor off on his mark.
Hey Georgie, now is it cheese?
This is my favorite. Check this out. Come on over here.
Now is it cheese?
Over to here. You read that. V12 BMW. You know what a V12 is? You've heard of a V8. Well, this is a V12. 12 cylinders. What do you think? You want one of these?
Oh yeah.
Can you get him one? Can you get
one?
No, you gotta get him one.
I'll get you one. Come on guys, it's